Got a brand new knife in with premium steel. Is it still budget? You decide. Let's take a look. Hello. Today we're going to look at a new knife that I just got in. This is the GEO Knife. It's made in China. I'll put this up so you can see. This is a Blase model. This is my first GEO knife. I wanted to get it and check it out. See how it looked like. I popped it open, made sure everything worked right. You get the typical goodies. A little sticker and a little knife napkin. Packaging's good. The overall feel of this knife is really good. Like I said, this is the GEO Knife Blase. It has an overall length of 7.6 inches, a blade length of 3.3 inches, and a handle length of 3.3 inches. Reason I pulled the trigger on this one was this budget knife comes with Bowler M390, and it's a Tonto flat grind, stonewashed. Kind of ticks all my boxes. It's on washers. The handle material is purple G10, and it is a reversible tip-up carry. Has the ambi crossbar lock, so if you have crossbar fatigue, I get that. I'm still liking the crossbars myself. I like being able to open and close one-handed, and it's got really good action. The jimping, it's not deep jimping, but it is serviceable, and the jimping continues on the G10 handles, which I kind of like. Alright, so these have kind of half liners that stop right about here for the Omega spring to attach to. This is my first GEO knife, and a little billboarding on the pocket clip. Pocket clip seems to be good. It's got good action, feels great in the hand. This is definitely a user. I like it. And I paid $87 for this. So for me, it still puts it in the budget category. I like that it has a premium steel. I think GEO knives are cashing in on the premium steel, but still offering a budget knife. So I think it's a it's a win-win, and I hope they do real well with this. Great action. Got no problems opening. The G10 seems really nice. The pocket clip feels really good in pocket too. Like I said, it's on washers, and for a non-bearing knife, it really kind of, I'm sure when this gets broken in, it will be fantastic. Good ergos. I like it when you have that forward finger, like the choil that's inset, so kind of tells your hand where to go. You have some standoffs with a lanyard post in the back. I don't think I'd put a lanyard on this one, but still. Nice clean knife. I like just the clean lines, the simplicity. It's just a simple, easy kind of budget knife. Well, that's my initial look at the GEO Knife Blase. So, thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you in the next video.